And it was still like an hour old, so we didn't freaking hop on it so hard. So this time I'm probably going to hold her to the bar. See, this should do about what, 50? Should do 50.
50.
Everyone's been saying they do 50 plus. I know I'll do 50.
Yeah. I'd say between 50 and 55.
So I'm going to take it down the road and
come from that way and come past here.
All right, yeah, I'll take her down the road quick, guys, and then I'll come back and we'll get a third party and the GoPro so you guys will have 2 shots. This is not my bike, so, but the driver's got a broken finger right now, so we can't exactly ride it. So you guys can see the speedo. Nice and slow on the way down. Make sure there's no cars behind me. Alright guys, here we go.
Tao's probably got 60 plus hours on it, I'd say. Should have put an hour meter on it when I first got it, but
that was only 47, guys. I had it planned all the way. That was 52, guys. There's the top speed.
I'd probably say 53. This is with stock gearing. I'm probably gonna change the gearing up with the sprockets a little bit, but what are we looking at? I'm guessing 53. 52? That was to the bar too.
Yeah, that was wide open. 51 or 52.81, I think, maybe.
So 52, 53. With pipe.
The first run, guys, it was 47 on the way up. It would not go anymore. I had it wide up on the way back. I don't know if it was, I'm not sure what it was, but this thing was falling. I mean, I had it pretty much wide open.
Yeah, it looks pretty fast on the camera too.
Where do you guys go? That's the real.
You should have the GoPro shot.
And you guys say that this thing does 60. You better be gearing that thing different. There's no way it does 60.
Unless it's a 90-degree slope downhill and neutral.
There's no way. 53 is as fast as this thing is going to go.
That was pegged wide open for probably 100 yards.
Oh yeah, I had it wide open.
Alright, well.
Alright guys, that concludes the top speed. Yeah.